Now start today practical 12 paired t test. Example first, systolic blood pressure of 9 normal individuals who had been equipment for 5 minutes was taken. Then 2 ml of 0.5% solution of hypotensive drug was given and blood pressure recorded again. Did the injection of drug lower the blood pressure? Then table serial number, BP before injection, BP after injection. BP before injection is X1 and BP after injection is X2. Then example first solution, repeat the table and addition the differences and squares. Serial number, BP before injection X1, BP after injection X2, differences X1 minus X2 and then square X square. Then difference is X1 minus X2. Then X1 is 122 and X2 is 122. There is 2. Then 2 square is 4. Then total differences is 27 and total square is 105. Then next steps, the mean difference or mean using the formula x bar is equal to summation x bar upon n, then x bar is equal to 3. Then sum of square or summation of x minus x bar square is 24. Then using formula standard deviation is equal to under root summation x minus x bar square upon n minus. Put up the value for this formula, then SD is equal to 1.73. Then second method for calculating standard deviation is SD is equal to under root summation x square minus of summation x square upon n minus 1. Put up the value for this formula. Then SD is 1.73. Then two methods, two different formulae, then answer is same for the calculating standard deviation. Then next step, calculating standard error of difference using this formula SD upon under root n is equal to SD is 1.73 and n is 9 is equal to 0.5. Then the standard error of difference is 0.5. Then calculating t value. T8 means n minus 1, n is 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Then t value T8 is equal to x bar upon standard error. X bar is 3 and standard error is 0.58. Then T8 is equal to 5.17. Then conclusion, at 8 degrees of freedom, 5% significant, limit of t is 2.31. Then observe t value is 5.17 times the standard error. Hence, there is no drug injected produce hypotensive affected. Then is p is highly significant. Then next example. The weight of 10 tuberculosis patients on admission and at the end of 12 months of treatment with PAS are given below. The data was sampled from clinical trial. Examine whether the gain in weight is statistically significant. The data is weight in kg on admission at 12 months. This is the data for weight in kg. Then solution. Then data weight in kg on admission at 12 months. Then differences x is equal to b minus a, weight x minus x bar. X bar is 4. Then square x minus x bar square. Then differences is 14 and square is 100. Then using formula for the mean is 4. Then calculating standard deviation for formula SD is equal to summation of x minus x bar square upon n minus 1. Then SD is 3.33. Then calculating standard error of difference is 1.05. Then T9 is 3.8. Then conclusion, at 9 degrees of freedom from the probability of occurrence of this value is less than 0.01. Hence, the mean gain in weight is statistically significant at 1% level if number of paired observation is larger than 30. The same method may be used to calculate Z value. Instead of T, there is no need to refer the T table. Another example, refer the T table. Next example. The specific diet was tested for 2 months to reduce obesity in 10 subjects. Following are the weight in kg before and after the intervention. The data are before and after, weight in kg before and after the intervention. Then before and after the data. Solution. Then calculation of difference between weight before and after the intervention. Then x1, x2, then d is equal to x1 minus x2, then d minus d bar, then d bar square. Then x1 minus x2 d is equal to 77 and d bar is equal to 216.1. Then using formula for d bar is equal to summation d upon n is equal to 77 upon 10 is equal to 7.7. Then d bar is equal to 7.7. Then using formula standard deviation is equal to under root summation x minus x bar square upon n minus 1. Then standard deviation is 4.9. Then using another method for t and another formula, different formula, t is equal to d bar upon sd upon under root n. Then d bar is 7.7 upon 4.9 upon under root 10. Then t is equal to 4.97. Then assessing significance using table of critical value, degrees of freedom is 9. Then tabulated t value for 9 degrees of freedom at 5% level is 2.26. Here the calculated t value is 4.97 is more than table t value 2.26. Hence the null hypothesis is rejected. Then interpretation, there is a statistically significant difference in weight between before and after the specific diet. Thank you very much.